Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check time tracked by employees in Clickup quickly and accurately. Whether you're managing a remote team, reviewing productivity, approving timesheets, or simply trying to understand where work hours are being spent, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and practical way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to review tracked time, analyze work logs, and keep your team reporting organized inside Clickup. To get started, open Clickup and log in to your workspace. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your team's tasks are managed. If your organization handles multiple departments or projects, make sure you're opening the correct workspace before reviewing any tracked hours. This helps prevent confusion and ensures you're checking the right employee activity. After opening the correct area, switch over to List View if it isn't already selected. List View gives you the clearest layout for reviewing task details and time tracking information side by side. At the top of the list, look across the visible columns and check whether you can already see the fields labeled Time Tracked and Timeline. If those fields are missing, don't worry. Click the plus icon near the columns section to add a new field. In the search bar, type Time Tracked and enable it. Then repeat the same process for Time Estimate. Once these fields are visible, you'll immediately see how many hours employees have logged on each task compared to the estimated workload across your team. This is one of the fastest ways to get a high-level overview of productivity and workload balance across your team. Now let's look deeper into the actual time entries. Click on any task assigned to an employee. Inside the task window, locate the Time Tracking section. Here, you'll find detailed information about every tracked session connected to that task. You can see how many hours were logged, whether the employee used the built-in timer or entered the time manually, and the exact date the work was recorded. You may also notice additional details like notes, labels, tags, and billable or non-billable status. These details are extremely useful when reviewing client work, preparing invoices, or understanding how employees spend their time throughout the day. Encouraging your team to leave short notes while tracking time can make reporting much clearer later. To make the process smoother, here are a few important tips. First, encourage employees to track time daily instead of waiting until the end of the week. This keeps reports accurate and reduces forgotten entries. Second, ask team members to use consistent tags or labels for reoccurring types of work. And finally, remind everyone to attach tracked time to the correct task whenever possible. If you want to review time entries that are not attached to a task, head over to the Time Tracking or Timesheets section from the sidebar. This area gives you a broader overview of logged hours grouped by employee and by date. You may also notice entries labeled No Task Selected. If you see these, you can click into them and assign the time to the appropriate task later. This helps keep your records organized and improves reporting accuracy. Another useful feature is filtering and sorting time entries. For example, you can filter by employee name, date range, billable hours, or specific projects. This becomes especially useful when managing larger teams or reviewing productivity over a longer period of time. Once you've reviewed all the tracked hours, you can use the data for approvals, performance reviews, payroll preparation, or project analysis. You can even add this information to dashboards for visual reporting and easier team management. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check time tracked by employees in Clickup clearly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you better understand Clickup's time tracking tools. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with other managers or team members who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.